Have you ever started a woodworking project and realized you're missing the right tool? Nothing slows down a craftsman faster than stopping mid-project because your tools can't keep up. Today, I'm breaking down the top 15 DEWALT woodworking tools every craftsman should consider.
These aren't random picks. These are practical tools that save time, improve precision, and boost efficiency.
And make sure you stay until number 10. It's one of the best-selling DEWALT tools for serious woodworkers. So before we waste any more time, let's get started. Welcome to USA Tech Deals, where we break down tools, tech, product reviews, and smart buying decisions with real research.
Let's start with number 1, the DEWALT 14-piece drill bit set with 135-degree split point tips. These bits reduce walking and drill cleaner, more accurate holes in wood, metal, and plastic. Number 2 is the 40-piece Flex Torque Impact-Ready screwdriver bit set. Designed for impact drivers, these bits flex under pressure to reduce breakage and extend durability. Here comes number 3, the 20V Max XR jigsaw. With 3,200 strokes per minute and a brushless motor, it delivers smooth, precise curve cuts. Number 4 is the 20V XR oscillating multi-tool. Perfect for plunge cuts, trimming edges, and tight spaces where larger saws simply can't reach. Number 5 is the 20V Max Orbital Sander. Its variable speed control ensures smoother finishes without swirl marks on fine wood surfaces. Number 6 is the 20V Max Reciprocating Saw. Delivering 3,000 strokes per minute, it handles demolition and rough cuts with serious power. Number 7 is the 20V XR Compact Router. Ideal for edge profiling and trimming, it delivers professional finishes in a compact, cordless design. Number 8 is the 6.5-inch 20V circular saw. Running at 5,150 RPM, it makes clean rip cuts with adjustable bevel angles for precision work. Number 9 is the 20V Max XR 18-gauge brad nailer. No hoses or compressors needed. It drives nails consistently for trim and cabinetry projects. With this, we have come to number 10th. One of the best DEWALT woodworking tools is the DWE7491RS 10-inch table saw. With a 32.5-inch rip capacity and rolling stand, it's a workshop game changer for large cuts. And this isn't just hype, it holds a 4.7-star rating, and many calling it one of the best workshop investments they've ever made. Number 11th is the 9-in-1 painter's tool. Compact yet powerful ability to scrape, gouge, clean rollers, pull nails. One tool, multiple uses. Number 12th is the 20V Max portable bandsaw. With a 5-inch cutting capacity, it's built for deep cuts and job site flexibility. Number 13 is the 20V variable speed die grinder. Perfect for detail shaping, sanding, and fine refinements in woodworking projects. Number 14 is the 12-inch double bevel sliding miter saw. Its XPS LED shadow light system improves cutting accuracy without complicated calibration. Last but not least, number 15 is the 20V XR 1/4 sheet variable speed sander. It's great for tight finishing work where control and precision matter most. These 15 DEWALT woodworking tools cover drilling, cutting, fastening, shaping, and finishing for serious woodworking.
If you're serious about craftsmanship, investing in the right tools makes every project smoother and more efficient. I hope you have found this video helpful. If yes, please like the video and subscribe to the USA Tech Deals channel. We do deep research and analysis so you don't have to waste your time comparing tools. If you'd still like to take a deeper dive into these tools, I've also written a detailed review article on www.usatechdeals.com, and make sure to check it out. And if you're planning to buy any of these tools straight away, you'll find the product links below in the description. Just to be transparent, if you buy through those links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching. This is Steve Hoogan signing off now. See you in the next video.